Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video you are going to listen an English conversation between two friends. They are discussing about movies. Let's start.
Hello Raj, how was your weekend?
Hey Anjali, my weekend was great. I watched a great movie.
Oh really? What was the name of the movie you watched?
I watched Avengers Endgame. It is the last movie of Avengers.
Oh. I have watched Avengers Endgame too. I love the movie.
Really? What is your favorite Avenger?
I can't name one. Iron Man, Thor, Captain America, Captain Marvel, Scarlet Witch, and Black Widow, to name a few.
Wow, you have some of the strongest Avengers there. I have the same choice except that I love Spider-Man too.
My sister took me to see the movie as soon as it was released. Both me and my sister have been great fans of Avengers since childhood.
Oh wow. I am myself a big fan of Avengers and have watched all the movies. I too wanted to go to the theater and watch the movie, but I was out of station for a family function.
Oh, I see. The movie stood up to all the expectations that the audience had after watching the trailer. In fact, I would say the movie surpassed expectations.
Very true. There was no better way to finish the Avengers, I believe. The movie just took me through a roller coaster of emotions.
True. Just when I was feeling happy that the Avengers got rid of Thanos for good, the next moment I was bawling my eyes out seeing Iron Man had sacrificed himself to save the world and everyone else.
We can't ever see Black Widow, Iron Man and Captain America ever in any Marvel movies.
Yes, very sad. Anyway, it was nice talking to you. See you tomorrow in school. Bye.
Same here, bye.
ओके डियर फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें और दूसरों के साथ शेयर करें। फिर से मिलेंगे हमारी एक नई वीडियो में।